How to add a custom camera shortcut on the home screen and open the camera in a specific mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then go to the home screen page that you want to add in the widget. Next, touch and hold on the home screen. Then go down and tap on widgets. From here, tap on camera. Then we scroll down. In here, select a widget size. So here I'll select a small size and then I'll drag it to, so go back here. So tap on widgets and then we scroll down, tap on the camera and then touch and hold and then drag it to your home screen and let go. And then tap outside the box or tap anywhere on the home screen to save the changes. Now to customize the widget or the shortcut, touch and hold on the widget, then tap on settings. After that, we can go down and give it a title or a name. So let's say we want to open up rear videos. So instead of open up a camera in photo mode, we're going to open up in video mode. And then tap on saved. And then you can also choose to use watermark or not by tapping on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. So here you can choose to add in a date and time to your video. And we're going to select where to save the pictures. Here we can create an album. So I can create an album called videos and then tap on create and then we select the album and here we go down and select widget background. Here we can choose the most recent image in the videos album or you can select an image, so that's your choice, and then you can reposition the image so that it will fit within your widget and then tap on saved. Okay, after that, tap on saved. Okay, so now we have added or created a new custom camera shortcut to the home screen. Whenever you want to open up the widget, you can do so. So tap on the widget to open up the camera. Here you can see the camera open up in photo mode and not video. So if you want to make the changes, touch and hold on the widget, then tap on settings. And here we need to go down and tap on starting mode. In here, we're going to select rear camera and then choose video. And then tap on the back key and then tap on save. And now if I open up the shortcut, it will open up in the video mode using the rear camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.